class. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, last class we took a pretest. More so that I know how much stuff you guys know, so that I can go over what you don't know. Yes? Yes. I was actually very impressed because most of you did very well on it. Today, as you can see, we are going to do a forest of emotions. It's a landscape using color. Does color have meaning? Yes?
Yeah.
It has different meaning.
Yes.
What do you think red?
Mad.
Mad. What do you think blue? Sad. What do you think purple?
This is Jean here in Sagamon. Please call extension 511. This is Jean here in Sagamon. Please call 511. Thank you.
Happy? Orange. What about black? Green. Okay. So you have a lot to think about. Because I want you to think about the color that we're going to incorporate into our landscape. Okay? So, Forest of Emotions is our project. And what does color mean? How does color affect your mood? What are the primary colors? What are complementary colors? Can you answer any of those questions? Jack?
Like blue, you could be sad because your tears, and yellow could be happy because the sun's out, I guess.
Okay. Alex?
I actually want to primary colors.
Yeah.
Primary colors, I believe, are blue, orange, green.
Primary colors. You're on the right track.
Blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, the primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. And what is so special about primary colors? Like,
They can mix with other colors.
they can mix to make other colors. Can we make the primary colors? No. What are the colors that primary colors make together?
For example, red and blue makes purple, red and yellow makes orange, yellow and blue makes green.
Okay, and what are those colors called? They're not primary colors, they're called secondary colors. Excellent. What are the pool colors?
Violet, no, red violet, blue violet, orange, blue, green. I have one more.
Yeah.
Brown. No.
Good. What are warm colors? Yes. Red and yellow. Very good.
Is that brown?
Good. What kinds of colors could you use for a winter forest versus a summer forest?
For a winter forest, you can use blue, white, and I'm guessing gray. And then for like the summer, you can use like red, orange, and yellow.
Okay. Excellent. And again, fall and spring. What would be the difference?
Like fall, you use all different colors because like that's when the leaves show their true color and everything. So not a lot of snow. And for the spring, you do like red and green.
Excellent.
Well, for the fall, I use brown. The trees are brown.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. 4 key elements that should be included in your landscape. One is the horizon line. And what is the horizon line?
Good morning, everyone. I'm sure everyone has a smile on their face today. A set of keys were found in the staff bathroom, it has on a keychain a picture of the face of a smiling moose. If these happen to be your keys, please
That
have
is
me
not
pick
my
them up
key.
at my desk. Also, I'd like to wish Mrs. Kristen Jean, Sunday is her birthday. Happy birthday, Mrs. Jean. So if you happen to see Mrs. Jean in the hallway, please be sure you give her a happy birthday smile. Have a great day.
All right, so make sure you say happy birthday to Miss Jeans. Okay, so we all know our landscapes have to have a foreground, middle ground, and background. In the foreground, your objects are in the bottom of the page. They're bigger objects, and they have more detail and color. Middle ground is slightly higher than the foreground. The objects are smaller in size. Detail and color is not as apparent. And in the background, it's higher on the picture plane. It's below the horizon line. The colors and detail are kind of muted, and the objects are way smaller. Yes?
I actually made this little, it's like a little picture about that big,
Mm-hmm.
and I used beads to make the whole thing.
Oh, excellent. You have to bring that in so you can see it.
And then let's find it,
All right.
because I gotta find it.
Cool. Okay, now we have 6 techniques that you're going to incorporate into your landscape. You're going to think about your line. You're going to think about your size, detail, the placement of your objects. We're going to use overlap, our detail, and our color. Okay? These are all really important to make your composition a good one. Hi, how are you? All right, now here are some examples. You're doing a winter forest. You see in the foreground you have pretty much top to bottom trees. As you go back, what happens?
Gets smaller and smaller.
It gets smaller, right? And we kind of angle in. You're in the front. Do you see a lot of detail?
Yeah.
And as you start getting back, what sort of starts to happen?
It starts to go one color.
Right, it starts to fade as it's going back, and it starts to get a little muted. And what do we see here? What's this a good example of? Detail. But what is this? When you have one thing behind another. Jeff.
Stick behind another tree.
Okay. Overlapping. Excellent. One of our techniques. Okay. Here's another example. Again, you have the more prominent down on the page in the foreground, and everything is moving back. You have your foreground, your middle ground, and then you have your background, where, again, you're seeing a lot of trees, but you're seeing muted detail as you go back. But you're seeing lots of prominent detail right in the front. Yes? Here again, this is a real close-up, but you see you have lots of detail in the front. Everything is up and down on the picture plane, and as you start moving back, everything's getting higher and starting to fade. Okay? Here's just a couple of examples. Now, here's your color meanings. What did we say red meant?
We said that meant anger.
Anger, right? Danger, passion, daring, romance, style, excitement. What about orange? What did we say that meant before? Yes.
I didn't say anything. I said that orange.
Okay, then orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fruit.
Of course it's true. Orange is orange. Orange, cheer, adventure, energy, warmth. Think of the sun. Yellow, joyful, cheerfulness. Green, growth, money, freshness, blue, peace, stability, calmness, confidence, tranquility. Purple, royalty, luxury, dignity, wisdom. White, hope, goodness, light. Gray, security, strength, authority. And black, sophistication, power, mystery. Okay?
I want to know what the brown is.
And what? Evil and death. So these are some examples of what color means. So this is an important piece to your composition because not only are you doing a forest, you're doing a forest and you're going to put some emotion into it. So on the colors that you use on your composition is going to tell us what kind of emotion you're trying to portray. Yes?
Can it be like multiple colors?
Of course. Of course. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the first step in our landscape, and this is probably all we're going to get to today since we do have a limited period.
Yeah, we leave in
So-
like 8 minutes.
Let me have red, orange, and yellow just meet me over here at the blue table.
Alright, I'm gonna pause this for just a second so I can get over there. And I gotta change it from HD because I'm running low on time here. Ooh. You're supposed to be